Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to do the jewelry bag, and then I have just a very small haul of a couple items that I found this week. First, I will show you these beautiful mother of pearl and hematite sterling silver earrings. And then I also found this gorgeous strand of carnelian. Has the Chinese box clasp marked silver there. And these gorgeous carnelian. Love the color on those. I also got a spectacular mother of pearl brooch. I don't think you can really tell how colorful it is. So pretty. And then I got this cute little fun pumpkin. It is by Best. It is a brooch and also a pendant. And that time of year will be here before we know it. All right, let's get into this bag. Okay, everything in this bag is going to be $5 unless I otherwise state. That way, hopefully, I can move some items out. And also, I'll let you know if I'm putting it in a craft lot. This is by Ponder. And I do believe I'll put this one in a craft lot because I'm not sure that it's supposed to be that way. But it says pray. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to a craft bag. This is a long strand of, it feels like amber glass and acrylic, and there are seed beads and chains. It is by Premier Designs. This is a very long strand. Let's see here. There are 5 different strands. It is somewhat adjustable. That's pretty. Let me put $5 items in this box. Alrighty. We have a hammered gold and silver tone clamper bracelet. Don't see any marks or signatures on that. There is this acrylic one. There's some wear to the clasp, so I'm going to put that in craft. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is by Erica Lyons. And there is her hang tag. And it is a multi-strand. These are acrylic and glass beads. And it's a long one also. Alrighty. And then we have this piece here with some shell and wood beads. And it is by You and I. These are kind of cool. They look like a stylized cross. And they're lightweight. They're about 2 inches though. Oh, that's cool. That looks like origami. Very cool. I like that. We have, this is acrylic beads, I believe. Maybe a hair barrette. We have seed beads and like a box chain. I'm going to put that one in craft also. We have, don't see any marks or signatures. This corded toggle bracelet. I believe that's Liz Claiborne. And silver tone with rhinestones. This is like a faux amber with mother of pearl beads. This one's very tangled, so it's going in craft. These are not signed clip-on earrings. Those feel like a lucite. Very 1980s. This is a copper bracelet. Says something, let's see. Just says copper. It looks like it was plated at one point, but most of the platings came off and you can probably remove the rest of it. It's a nice one. $5. These are a leaf earring, gold tone. This is a gold tone chain. It has little rhinestones in some of these. There are 2 of these. We'll just do those together, both of them for $5. I like that Alex and Ani style adjustable bracelets. Here is the other one of this. Post back earrings. They look brand new. To get my loop, I can't read that. This is by Duplass. These are acrylic faux pearls with these purple stations. This is a very long strand. That's cute. Little sewing machine. Very cute. There is a gold tone. I don't see any marks or signatures on it. Don't see any marks on this. And it's got a little bow and a heart charm. And that'll be going into the craft bag. This also, I'm just going to throw that one in the trash. It's got plating loss there. We have an arrowhead with some dyed howlite. Has this little tassel on the end. Long strand. It has a little tag. And it's just a P. I'm not sure who that is. We have a bull. It's got a nice weight to him. And he's about 2 1/4 inch. Earring. And we have this stretchy bracelet. Pretty. We have a hair barrette. And it says Revlon. There is a pendant. We have a wrap bracelet. It has a highlight. Looks like it could be worn on either side. This feels nice. It's not one of those rubbery, plasticky, sticky feeling faux leathers. And you would just wear it like this. And it has 2 holes, so 2 different lengths. There's a little hang taggy here. Not sure who that is. It's a little crown. There are these lucite earrings here. Kind of iridescent. We have a pair of silver tone clip-on earrings. I don't see any signatures on them. So make sure they're not missing any of their little danglies. I don't believe so. All the holes have a little dangly. They're nice. Oh, there is both of these. Oh, this one's loose. Okay. Not sure what that says. This back is loose on this one. I'm not sure if it could be tightened or not. Let me see. They are 925 China, and they have the Cabana logo. Let's do those for $8, but please note that that's loose and you will have to tweak it a little bit. There is this pair of resin earrings. Oops. I see the other one of this. What's that? Is that an onion or garlic? Interesting. Be good for a chef. You could put it on your hat. These are pretty. Mother of pearl. I like these. This is sterling. It is very kinked. I don't know how to unkink it. I have fuzz under my nail. Yeah, I'm just gonna set that to the side. If you're interested in this, I don't know, $5. We'll put it in the $5 box, or else I'm just gonna throw it in a scrap lot. Oh, this is cute. Can I get to it? Oh, there's the other one of this. We have a vintage cowboy hat with rhinestones. Very cute. And it has the hook closure, a little cowboy boot. Let's do that one for $8. Put that to the side. I'll list that one. So I'm not seeing much to list out of this bag. Still fun to go through them. We have another Premier Designs. Acrylic and seed bead necklace. We have a Avon. This chain feels nice. With a little butterfly. That's cute. Oh, I found the other one of this. These do appear to be genuine turquoise. I don't know where my magnet, there it is. They are magnetic. I was going to say stainless, but apparently not. Cute turquoise earrings. And then we have, is that chaps? I believe that's chaps. Oh, I forgot one. And it has all of these colorful little metal pieces here. And then we have, last but not least, that's pretty. Those look like CZs. What does it say? Allison Reed. New with tags. I am not familiar with this brand. Let's do $12 on this one. So it looks like these are only 2 pieces I would really list out of this lot. But we did find some fun jewelry, and it was fun to go through it. And if you're interested in anything you see here, email me. That will be in the description below. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.